Well, this is the truck drivers memorial at Tarcutta in New South Wales. Chris and I are on our way down to Phillip Island, and we thought we would stop and check out this memorial. I'd heard about it but never seen it before. Amazing the number of people, drivers, that have been killed on the roads. And you look at the ages, and most of them seem to be, I guess, 20s and 30s. The odd one, or maybe a little bit older, but in their 40s, but basically young men. This gives you an indication of how dangerous their job can be, but how much we rely on it as Australians to get the basic necessities of life. So well done, truck drivers, thank you very much, and RIP to the ones that have died keeping Australia going. Mr. Pearson down there, disappearing, and all his elegance, his fashion sense. Amazing the number of drivers that have died on the roads.
Children, there's two 1 and 2-year-olds around there.
Yeah. Oh, this fellow was old, 87.
Yeah. Well, see, that they might not necessarily have died in an accident. They're a pioneer, but they're a legend. So these are the ones that have been killed on Australian roads.
Yeah.
Whereas otherwise, pioneers, different things like that.
This is the main street of Tarcutta. Very quiet, very small community, now bypassed by the freeway.